Babalik na naman po tayo sa panibagong video, tinatawag na hindi ko alam, pero hindi ko pa alam, hindi ko kasi nakita yun yung pinaka title ng laro. So we're gonna new game begin. So guys, ito yung pinaka horror game. Parang let's say typical na horror game lang naman. Kaya let's go. Okay, ano yung pinaka hihiwantig na ito na laro na to? We create based on the straw. What? Okay. Yung, ang ganda ng graphics ha. I love the graphics. It's a dream. It was a dream. I expected an imminent crash collision. Now what? Yo! Wake up. It's a train, you know. It's a train. This is my fragments of memory. I can't move. Yes, okay. Nightmare? Okay. So, I can control. Ito settings. Okay. Okay, smooth. Okay. Hello, Moshi Moshi. Moshi Moshi, Hyro official is here. Ba't may umubo doon? Hyro official is here. Moshi Moshi. This is the window like I door. It will open for the keys. Okay. Sorry. Hey, yo, what's that? Gulat ako dun ah. Okay, so ano yun next? What's gonna happen next? I'm locked up inside my dream. Maybe, yeah? Someone leading me to the darkness. Baka, ano yun ah? Where are we going? I don't know too, pero everything is similar seems to. What? Wala akong makita eh. Ang dilim sobra. Ano? Okay, so ano yung next? The kiss. Ito na guys. Wow! Ito na. Wow. This place so nice. Okay, so ano yung kailangan dapat itong gawin? There's no one in here. Okay, so explore daw natin itong lugar na to. I played this game before. Ano to? Oh, your childhood. Okay, so ano yung meron dito? Close. Are you serious? Oh my god. But close yan. Ano to? But may letter. You can feel the look, but you can see anyone. Okay. Let's take that. Okay. We're here in the bathroom. I don't want to read. Oy, ano naman yung tulog na yun, guys? Hey, yo. Wow! Wow! Oh my god, may ads na naman. Oh my god, wow! Wow! Oh my god, may ad na naman, guys. Wow. Ikakat ko muna yung video, okay? Okay, so yan. So we're skip the ads. So we're gonna explore now. Let's hope. Open that. Open sesame. Open sesame. So, yo, ano yun? Ano na naman yung naririnig ko dyan sa laro na to? I remember smell of walls. We need to look around. Are there many books here? Yes, I know. Okay, so marami nga dito mga books. Ano to? Sobrang many books naman dito, guys. Hindi ko na mabasa yan. Pero ano to? Are we correct? I don't think so. So we should probably... Okay, may mga... Okay, so yeah. What the heck is that? A bicycle. Hey, yo! Who are you? Yo. Yo, what the heck? Ano yun? Hello po, kuya. Anong tinitingnan mo dyan? Okay lang ko na. Wait, ano ulit yan? Ano ulit yan? Pag ganun. Yes, yes, I know. Okay, so ano yung mga pwede nitong gawin? Sobrang weird nung kanina. May naka... Huwag kang... Diyan ka lang ha. Huwag kang aalis dyan. Sobrang weird mo. Ayun ko sa inyo. What is it? Oh my god! Wow! Another ads na naman. Sobrang dami ads to mga laro na to, guys. Ewan ko ba't kung may ano bang meron sa ads. Ano ba yan? Ano nga? Oh my god. Skip the ads. Skip. Ano ba? Skip mo. Yan. Ang weird mo ah. Sobrang weird mo ah. Okay, so, alam ko na guys. Ano ulit yung guys? Parang, ewan ko, basta, ulang ko na lang guys ulit. Hindi ko kasi na-screenshot ulit yun eh. So, alam ko na. Wait lang. Yun. What the heck is that? So, very small print. Wag naman sana ako, takutin, no? Kasi pag tinakot niyo ako, ha, alam niyo na. Yo, nawala siya, guys. Yo. Nasaan na siya? Ad na naman, guys. Oh my god. Yeah. Daming ads. Yo, what the heck? Huh? Eh? Okay, so... Ano to? What's this? Ang creepy ng laro ah. Don't scare me. Don't scared me, okay? Ay, kala kasi magugulat eh. Huwag mo sana gulatin kasi... Wala rin eh. Uy, 11. May 11 dito. 11. Okay, 11. May 11 guys, may 11 na number. Ibig sabihin nun, the door is closed, okay? Close. So guys, so I'm gonna make a part 2, okay? So yun lang guys, gagawa natin na part 2, okay? So thank you and goodbye. See ya. Paalam. Peace.